Well, today we are celebrating American School Week, and today is open house. So our parents are coming in to visit with their teachers, pick up report cards, and it's important for them to come in and have that relationship with the teacher to ask about their children. So we're excited to see our school full of parents visiting today. We are also celebrating Read with a Loved One, so they can come and visit their teacher and then pick up their child and go and read with a loved one in our library.
Today, as part of American Education Week, we're having open house and our annual event for the library, Reading with a Loved One. It's a nice program because the parents get to come in and read with their child for a little while, visit our library, and as a bonus for us, we're having our book fair, which also promotes literacy, so they can also visit the book fair.
It is so important for them to come and visit with their teachers, and students see that their parents take an interest in their education, and at the same time ask questions about what they're learning and how they can help at home. And we're a partnership, parents at home and teachers here. Here at Daiches, we strive for the best. We strive to providing the best education for our kiddos, the best learning opportunity, a beautiful learning environment, and we have the best teachers, the best students, the best parents here at Daiches Elementary School.